drowning in WhatsApp messages and struggling to keep up with your customers? Let's unlock the power of streamlined communication with Wati. First, navigate to the Wati website and log into your account if you're new. You'll need to create an account and connect it to your WhatsApp business number. Once logged in, the team inbox is your central hub here. You'll see all incoming messages from your WhatsApp contacts. Wati automatically assigns conversations to available agents, ensuring no customer query goes unanswered. To respond, simply click on a conversation. You can type your message directly or use pre-written quick replies to answer frequently asked questions in seconds. Need to send a mass message? Use the broadcast feature. But remember, personalization is key. Segment your audience based on demographics or past interactions for more relevant and engaging content. Supercharge your workflow by integrating Wati with your favorite CRM, e-commerce, or marketing tools. This allows you to automate tasks, track customer interactions, and gain valuable insights. Speaking of insights, Wati's analytics dashboard provides comprehensive data on your team's performance, message volume, and customer satisfaction. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your communication strategy. And that's it. With Wati, you can transform WhatsApp from a personal messaging app into a powerful tool for business communication, sales, and customer support. Explore Wati's extensive features to discover endless possibilities for your business.